So you're saying they're eating healthy food.
Yes, and
Correct.
staying happy also.
Correct. So especially my boss, V. Subramaniam, they don't eat excess food. They don't eat any junk food. They eat when they are hungry. They don't eat when they are not hungry. Am I clear? These are ancient Indian concepts. So I have seen yoga practitioners, obesity people also. Why? This is out of control. So I felt the combination of yoga and having some idea about nutrition is good combination. What do you say, all? So that we can guide the students better. See, that's the reason Vaishnavi, Prardhana and Bhavishya, they have taken a training. I am telling you the name also. Precision Nutrition from Canada. Course is good, but not worth 70,000, 80,000. A big joke. Just they will send one book and they will give you online course. Exam online, over. Why 80,000, yeah? There I started. Now we are going to deliver 10 times better certification than anybody in India, anybody in other countries. So we have designed 4 courses. If you see, anybody has got a questionnaire, the application form from Natasha? Yeah, Kavi, you got a lot of questions I have asked. I want to filter. It's a secret, lot of, it's like psychometric questions type. So first course, 5-day course, what I have done, I have made it complimentary for all yoga teachers because I want to yoga teachers also know something. Second thing, after that 1 month course we are designing actually. We are in the process. And then we have a 3 months course, more about nutrition aspect of, this one, science. And then again 3 months. That 3 months is you can handle patients. For example, who should not eat what? So it takes total to finish this, all the 3 courses, 7 months, 6 to 7 months. Trust me, a good nutritionist has more potential than yoga teacher. How many of you agree? अरे 5 minutes consultation 1,000 rupees भैया. ये योगा में हस्तवत्तान, पाद हस्तासन, अश्वचंचालन, अधोमुख स्वानाचन, dandachana, child pose. 1 month you have to sing this and you get 1,000 rupees. Which one is better? And you need a hall, you need a fan, current, cleaning. Now corona, you have to have sanitizer, paper you need. Every day you have to clean, every hour you have to clean. Yeah, so what I want, people, the yoga trainers, whoever wants to choose this as a profession, we want to train them in nutrition also. So now we have new trainers are joining, new trainers to train nutrition on the nutrition subject. Make sense? Anybody who wants to choose yoga as a full time, I'm telling you, I'm there with you. I'll come to your town to start a yoga academy. I will invest, I'm telling you, I will invest, you have to operate. You don't need to invest, don't worry about money thing. If you have money, you start. If you don't have money, call me. Only thing you have to be very serious. If you have this nutrition knowledge also, you can help the students, na? And many nutritionists, recently, Vaishnavi, one, that actress, who is that actress here, Srinagar Colony, Vaishnavi?
Hariteja.
Hariteja, very good girl, cinema actress. I think TV actress, cinema actress, I don't know, actress. She came to our center, she says, sir, I want to lose weight. I said, okay, we'll guide you. I said, why don't you consult a nutritionist? Do you know what is her answer? Sir, I'm fed up with this nutritionist. Their seed started in my brain. I said, fed up, what happened? Sir, somebody says eat eggs. Somebody says drink coconut oil. Somebody says don't eat rice. Somebody says don't eat wheat. Sir, kya khana hai sir mere ko? What should I eat? See, let me tell you, I am eating only rice since my birth. I am now 47 years old. 46 completed, 47. I'm normal, same weight, 75. Last 10 years, same weight. Problem is not rice. Problem is you are eating like a pig is a problem. Second thing is you are eating like a pig, not doing anything is a problem. On top of that, your husband stress, wife stress, children stress, office stress, business stress. Yes or no? Rice is not a papam. You're taking that polished rice is the problem. There normal rice available, na? Okay, so please, all this gang, whoever is on the screen, please quickly, you have to, you're eligible to take this training, 5 days training. That 5 days knowledge is enough. Listen, 5 days knowledge is enough, and after that you can start buying books. You can start reading blogs. If you have more money, you join for next level course, 1 month course, 3 months course. We'll keep on taking money from you. See, something what you learn from a trainer, you need to spend more time to learn that. The systematic approach won't be there. But 5 days will give you foundation. Either Vaishnavi or we have Prarthana, somebody will deliver that course. We have another expert, Gomati, somebody will deliver. Once you feel, yes, I think nutrition, some people, they say, yes, nutrition is my subject. You feel, then upgrade to next one. So in a year, dedicate this year for your learning. First year, and then see how you will excel. Yeah.